I'm surrounded by wood toys.
New toys!
Some of these I made from scratch, using scrap and salvaged wood. Some of these I bought. One in particular is 110 years old. And today on Alley Picked, you get to see these all up close.
Ken, new toys!
Far out!
I begin with this very unusual wooden toy. It's made by a company in Canada called Mishad Toys. They actually still exist. I called them up. The woman told me that they don't make this anymore. In fact, this one was made 30 or 35 years ago. They only make wooden board games today. This was made when the company used to be in Saskatchewan. But I love toys like this. This is a lifetime toy. It's extremely well made. Here's how it works. It uses this little wooden vehicle. Kind of makes you smile, doesn't it? Let's see that again.
You are a cool toy!
These are two automatic marble machines that I made. I saw something similar to this in the store one time, so I came home and this is what I came up with. You simply load the marbles into the top, and then you give it a little kickstart.
It's a miracle!
This is a reproduction of a game called Skittles. I made this one out of old dresser drawers that I found in the alley. You set up the pins on the red circles, which have various point values. You load up the spinning top, and away it goes. To calculate my score, I add up the point values beneath each pin that got knocked over. Other players take turns, and whoever has the highest score is the winner. What a fun game. And it's really cool. But not just cool, it's cool made from junk.
What a piece of junk!
I was scrolling through Instagram one day, and this game popped up. Similar to this one. I really liked it, so I decided to make it for myself. It's called Wall Ball. You pick a starting point and maneuver the ball with the two rings and deposit it into a target hole. This game is a lot of fun, but if I made it again, I'd drill more holes in the front to make it even more challenging. Now I want to show you this game, which is over 110 years old. I borrowed this one from Beyond Grandma's House antique store so I could show it to you. The name of this is called Carrom. Carrom is a tabletop game of Indian origin where players flick discs, attempting to knock them into the corners of the board. Now this game is very popular in the Indian culture. It's also known by various names in different languages. When playing the standard game of Carrom, there are quite a few rules. The cool thing about this one is that it has the manufacturer's mark on the side, so it makes it really easy to date. Now this is a two-sided board. And there's a total of 57 different games that you can play. This is the original bag with all of the game pieces. It's amazing that it's still together after all these years. This board does look fairly well used. I'm sure many children and adults spent hours gathered around this board having loads of fun before the TV and internet. Now, of course, there's an app for this game. This is another incredible wooden toy, also made by the Michaud company in Canada. You know what it is? It's a Gumball Machine.
Oh my God, look at that.
That's right, a Gumball Machine. Let me show you how it works. Isn't that cool? This toy can also work with marbles instead of the gumballs, but marbles don't taste as good.
I don't trust a man who makes toys.
This is little Marky, and he's really excited to tell you that there is a part 1 to this wood toy video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the video description. But for your viewing pleasure, here's a brief montage of a lot of the wood toys from that video.
I'm gonna do it all by myself now.
Of course, you all know my favorite toy, but he's more than just a toy. He's my best friend, Woodro. I found him wandering the alleys in Chicago. He was missing an arm. I patched him up, and he's been forever grateful. Woodro, just like all the toys you've seen today, were made to last. They're physical, tangible, not pixels on a screen that disappear when you turn off your phone. These toys are played interactively with other people around the game, not mindlessly with other people around the world who you've never met. Friendships, relationships, they're built around physical games and toys. Whether you build one or buy one, I do have to say this about wood toys.
They're great!
I appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Well, Woodro, you ready for the next project? That would be a thumbs up, if he had thumbs.